Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the model supports two SIMs, eSIM plus physical or dual nano SIM. Power off the Samsung, then eject the SIM tray with the supplied tool. Once the tray is out, place each SIM in its labeled slot, making sure the gold contacts match the tray orientation. If using an eSIM, prepare carrier details now. After inserting, reseat the tray and power on. This immediate setup reduces detection errors and lets you move to configuration quickly. Once the phone boots, open Settings and go to Connections, then SIM Card Manager. You will see both SIMs listed. Tap each to label them so you don't confuse carriers later. Set your preferred line for mobile data and choose the default for calls and messages. Make sure to enable VoLTE LTE if supported. Also select network mode per SIM, for example 4G/5G for data and 3G for secondary lines, because this affects speed and coverage. Save the choices and test with a call and data session. To finish, verify both SIMs can make calls, send SMS, and use mobile data. Switch the active data SIM in settings to test the other line. If a SIM isn't detected, power down and reseat the tray, then restart. This fixes contact alignment issues. If you still see problems, toggle airplane mode and only then perform a network settings reset to avoid losing other configurations. If problems persist, contact the carrier. Sometimes provisioning must be completed on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.